Welcome to the Draw My Life of the Chemistry of THC by Jenna and Cynthia. Learn the chemical compounds and molecular structure of THC along with the effects and chemical reactions of marijuana in our brain and bodies. Marijuana has 113 cannabinoids. Delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, also known as THC, is the main psychoactive constituent in the natural product marijuana, also known as the thing that gets you high. CBD is the medicine part of marijuana, which helps reduce pain and give relaxation. Other compounds include the cannabivirins and the cannabichromines. They are all collectively known as cannabinoids. Cannabinoids' chemical compound consists of C21H30O2. That's 21 carbon, 30 hydrogen, and 2 oxygen. Its chemical name is cannabidiol, and its molecular weight is 314.469 g/mol. The discovery of weed's compounds led to the further discovery of an important neurotransmitter called the endocannabinoid system that affects brain and body. This included the CB1 receptor and soon after that, the CB2R after it was discovered. Chronic cannabis consumption may dull the effectiveness of the CB1 receptors in the brain, requiring an increase in the consumption in order to get high. The CB1 receptor is rebooted and activated after 2 days and has an almost full recovery after 4 weeks. Not everyone who smokes will get the same effects. It depends on gender, age, weight, tolerance, and much more. Before marijuana enters the system, inhibitory neurotransmitters are active in the synapse, which inhibit dopamine from being released. When activated by the body's native cannabinoid called anandamide, cannabinoid receptors turn off the release of inhibitory neurotransmitters. Without inhibition, dopamine can be released. THC, which has a similar structure to anandamide, mimics anandamide and binds to receptors. This causes the inhibition to be released and dopamine is squirted into the synapse. Anandamide functions as a neurotransmitter because it sends chemical messages between nerve cells throughout the nervous system. Anandamide affects areas that influence pleasure, removing unnecessary short-term memories, slow movement, concentration, coordination, sensory, and time perception. THC is able to alter the function of the hippocampus and the orbitofrontal cortex, brain areas that enable a person to form new memories and shift his or her attentional focus. As a result, using marijuana causes impaired thinking and interferes with a person's ability to learn and perform complicated tasks. Anandamide breaks down very quickly, which is why it doesn't produce a perpetual natural high. THC, on the other hand, sticks to the body's fat and can stay in an everyday user's body for about 30 days after smoking before leaving the system.